Welcome to Danny 8581. So today we're making Mommy's best crab dip.
Yes, and for that we're going to need 1 pound of crab meat. We double picked it, obviously. And then we're going to need 2 8-ounce packets of cream cheese. So we're going to start by putting the cream cheese in the bowl. I'm going to open it up and you're going to dump it, okay?
I really want to
wanted to leave this sit out so that you cannot bite it because we're making it for other people too. You're going to want to leave this sit out so it softens up. We did not, so it's going to take us longer to smooth it. All right. So take this like this and dump it. Here. Got it? You'll get a taste, just you can't taste it off of that one because it's not for just us. Shake, shake, shake. You can do it. Don't not on the floor. We do not have more. All right. Now you see these pieces right here? Have a ball. You hold it. I gotta open this. This is cooking with Danny. This is her first time. This is her first time making it. Little do you know I'm cooking. She's eating. All right. I cannot get this open.
But I just have confusing.
That was my butt. That would not open. All right. All right. As much as we love cream cheese. So
love crab dip?
Yeah, that's good. I got a bite right there, and then we're gonna continue cooking. How yummy is that?
Good.
Good, good.
All right. I have cream cheese hands.
So we got our. 1 second, Danny. We're gonna mix 1 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a little Worcestershire sauce, a pinch of garlic salt.
Flip the chair over so I can with my hands off.
And about 2 tablespoons of grated cheese. We got this cheese. This is what they have.
So I'm going to my friend's party. So we're making this one.
This is what we have. We use a thinner kind usually, and that works better.
Mama,
so
yeah, what's up,
I hear you. I hear you. I was trying to tell them that stuff. Okay. Go ahead. Rinse your hands off. I guess I should tell them that all over again, huh? All right. So you're going to want to put your 1 cup of sour cream in here. As soon as you're done. Here, let me rub them. Okay, here. Hands. All right, you ready? Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh.
I don't need no rouge.
Okay. Dump your sour cream in there.
You're going to get those hands again. Whoa.
Yeah. That's heavy, huh? Mommy usually takes her finger, but I know you don't want to get messy. And I scrape it out of there.
So I just want my hands off.
All right. Okay. Now we need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Where's your lemon juice?
Lemon juice.
Yummy. All right. So hold this for me. I'll do this.
No,
hold this.
can I do that?
Hold this, please. I already know how you're gonna squirt it all over the place. And we don't have time for that one today, but next time, okay? Hold on. 2 tablespoons.
1.
That's already a 2 tablespoons. Yeah, so we already have a 2 tablespoons one. Okay. Worcestershire sauce. You're just gonna want to put a little. I forgot to get garlic sauce. Do not dump that yet. I really won't want you to do that. Because next thing you know, we'll have so much Worcestershire sauce. All right, go ahead. Little. Yeah.
That's just enough. What?
Yep. All right, now a pinch of this.
A little
Pinch. Yep, pinch it.
pinch. I didn't know to use my hands.
Got it? Let's do another pinch. And maybe one more pinch. Got little pinchers. All right. I think that's good. Now, we're just going to take our Old Bay and we're going to dump it in. But we're putting about 1/4. If you've seen our other videos, you know we like Old Bay. Excuse me. All right. So I'm going to show you guys how much we used. Now we'll taste it after we're done mixing it up and make sure that's enough. Okay, so let's make sure we got everything. We got our cream cheese. We got our sour cream, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, garlic salt, and Old Bay. Now we're going to stir it until smooth. Now, like I said, we did not let our cream cheese sit out long enough, so it's going to take longer. We're just going to kind of push all the ingredients into the cream cheese until it's softened. We're going to also add a little milk, just a little bit.
I know you guys think...
To soften it up.
I know you guys think, ew, milk with, you know, yeah.
You're not going to do it? Yeah. Oh. Okay, that happened.
Don't make it happen to me.
All right, so this might take a little bit. So I think, oh, we forgot our cheese. No, don't do cheese yet. We're going to soften it and then do cheese. That way don't break all up. Okay, so I'm going to soften this up and then I guess we'll be back, huh? Mm-hmm. All right.
Welcome back. If you guys, so you guys need to know this is my mom's recipe.
Yes, I've been making it. It's the first crab dip I've ever had. So I've been making it ever since she gave me the recipe.
Can I have one?
Oh, yes, you can have one cheese. She washed her hands because I found out she's been licking them. So she had to re-wash her hands because we want clean fingers, especially when we're cooking for other people. All right, so while you guys were gone, we mixed that up, preheated our oven to...
Also, when we get that, we're going to eat them.
Yes, we preheated our oven to 375. Now we're going to put in our cheese. Put it in. Ooh, yeah. And our crab meat. We're going to fold the crab meat in so we can try to keep it in those lumps. I get the lump instead of the jumbo lump because I think it works better. So it's up to you. All right, Danny, pour some of that in there for me. Like maybe... We almost had a whole bowl of crab meat go on the floor. But hey, that's the fun of cooking, right?
Yeah, can't make it mess.
Well, we make a mess. But we learn. So, why don't you hold this camera so that you can see the bowl. You trying your best. There you go. That works. And I'm just going to make sure I get all the stuff off the sides and kind of just push it in there and get it all good. Once I get half of it in there, I'm going to get the other half.
We have to do that, and then she poured the rest of it in.
Pour the rest in. I'm going to scrape it. I want all that crab meat because crab meat's good. Some people serve this with bread. Some people serve it. I serve it with club crackers. I love club crackers.
So, guys, I watched the video with my dog in it.
Oh, you miss her.
Yeah, we miss her. Tell them why.
Because she's visiting a family member who also missed her. So, we're a break from our dog. That's why you don't hear her footsteps everywhere.
Yes.
All right. So, just
and I know you guys are glad you don't have to do it.
Let's see how it looks now.
Look at it.
And after looking at it, I think we're going to put a little bit more cheese in it. So, let's stop flying this around everywhere. Okay? Do you know where I stuck the cheese at? I put it away. I may have put it away. No, I didn't put it away. We can't finish our recipe.
Right there.
Oh, thank you. We can't finish the recipe without cheese. Cheese is so good. All right, so some more cheese for here, some more cheese for here, some more cheese for here, some more cheese for here. We did taste it. Oh, we'll put that up there. We did taste it after we mixed it all up to make sure there was enough Old Bay. You want to make sure you have enough Old Bay. Old Bay is the best part. Okay, so for this recipe, we use a 9-inch casserole dish. Spray the sides so it doesn't stick. We, since we're dropping this off to a friend for her birthday, we went to the store and bought these aluminum ones. Now they only
We're also going to eat some because...
Oh, yes, we are. And they only had the small ones, which I didn't mind because that means we could save some for home, right?
Yeah, my mom loves crab dip.
Oh,
me too.
This crab dip, yes, the best recipe in the world. The
From
best
my mom.
crab dip recipe in the world.
You love my mom's?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
This is the first time I had it. Alright, so I'm going to do this part because this bowl is very heavy. But you watch so one day you can do it, okay? I'm going to take this. I'm going to pour some in. Now, because we're using a small one, I know I can't put all the crab dip in. So I'm just going to pour some in. We'll probably use most of it. I don't know what we'll cook that little bit in. Okay.
Well, we can just do like another pack some noodles.
I know, but I don't want to. We might be able to fit it all in here, actually. I'm going to try. Let me mix this up a little bit more. It looks like at the bottom there's more just of the... Okay, that looks good. So that's... yum. All right.
Look at it, guys.
Now, I want to try to get every bit of this in here because, well, why not? We don't want to waste it. I'm sorry, baby. I had to get up a little bit higher to get this in. Where is she at? Yeah, I think we can fit all of that in there. I don't want to miss any of that. All right. So, now we're going to spread it. It's a little bit too hot because of our small pan, but it's okay. It will be okay. Just when it bubbles up, I'm worried it's bubbling up in the oven. Try to even that out. Can you help me? Come on. Ready?
I'll do it myself.
Okay. We'll take it and see this part. It's got to be turned to the edges over here. See? There you go. All right. Now we're in a rush a little bit because we're running late. So let me help you a little bit.
So go drop it off.
Oh, we're going to stick around a little bit. Got to have some birthday fun, right?
Of course, no one wants, when it's someone's birthday, you always want some birthday fun with the birthday girl.
Yeah, birthday fun with the birthday girl?
Yeah.
And how old is she going to be today?
6.
6 years old. Big 6. All right, you can look at some of this if you want, but it's not going to be as good than when it's cooked. She's like, I don't know. All right, we'll wait. Okay, so now we have this. We're not going to be able to put as much cheese on top because it's filled. I'm about to go over here for my cheese again. All right, Sweet Pea. This is thicker cheese, so we don't want to put a big layer on it. I really like the smaller shredded. Do you see how Mommy's doing it?
More cheese for you.
Come on, help me out. Over top of this. Because you don't get all over the floor. For all I know, I could be stepping in it and pushing it into the ground. Alright, yeah, I don't know how this cheese is going to melt. I'm hoping for the best. I really wish they would have had smaller ones. I do like the expensive brand for the cheese.
You mean bigger?
No, they had. I like the smaller one.
Smaller one of these?
Of the cheese, the shredded cheese.
I can make it small.
Anyway, the cheaper one I've tried, and it doesn't melt right. It just doesn't melt right. So you do what you want to do, but I like the expensive. We also use this brand for stuffed shells, and it's so good. I think we should do that next, stuffed shells. If you think we should do stuffed shells, comment down below and say do stuffed shells.
Well, guys, also, if you want us to play a whole bunch of games in one day, and you guys watch a movie with us,
Not watch a movie, but maybe games. I'm not sure how fun watching us watch a movie would be, silly goose.
No, we could sit the camera down and you guys could watch a movie with us. You know, guys?
I can't hold it. There we go. There we go. All right, so the finishing touch. You want to take something, and especially if you're not using a throwawayable dish, you want to wipe off the edges so it doesn't ruin it. We're just going to clean it up to make it look nicer.
Shaky.
That is, can you read that? That's exactly it. Say it all together. Paprika. And I'm wetting my hands right before I do it, which is not so smart. I don't want to dump it on.
I'll do it.
Oh, you don't dump it on.
Oh no, we go like this.
Nope. I think you're going to get it out too quick. You only want a little bit of this for garnish. Okay.
Oh,
let me hold your hand. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Ooh, it's actually doing pretty well. I can't see because my good eye's covered. Yeah, all right. I think that's pretty much good. All right, let's show them. All right, now we're gonna stick it in the oven.
And we'll see you guys when it's done.
It takes about 30 minutes, but I really don't go on that. I just go on when it looks nice and golden brown on top. Alrighty. Hi, welcome back.
Yep, this looks so yummy. I think we'll have to taste some.
Yeah. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right.
We have to try it before we go there so we can figure out if it's good or not. So if we have to remake it.
We will not remake it. But I'm sure it's good. It's always good, right?
Yeah.
All right. So this is the ends are brown, nice and brown. Now I'm going to do this because I blow it off because it's going to be too hot for you. See all that steam on there?
No. You can give me a new one.
You're so rotten. All right, well, don't eat that right now because I need you to try this first, okay?
Apple.
Ooh, it's too hot.
Can I try
It's a peach. Yeah, here, grab that. But it's got to cool down anyway. I hope we didn't put too much Old Bay. Mommy did add some because Old Bay's yummy. All right, when you're done chewing that, I think it's ready.
It's good.
Can you let me know how it's good? How good it is. You the first taste tester? Oh. Is it good enough for it? I'm going to have to be tested. How yummy is it?
Super yummy.
Yum. All right. Tell your YouTube friends bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure you give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe.